Hi friends! My name is Luxie. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going on a fun adventure to explore 4 amazing habitats. First, we'll visit the chilly Arctic, home to furry animals with thick white coats. Then, we'll swing into the wild rainforest, where sneaky predators live among the trees. Next, we'll dive deep into the big blue ocean and meet some cool sea creatures. And finally, we'll travel to the hot, sandy desert, where water is super hard to find. Are you ready? Let's go explore! Arctic habitat. Building time. Let's start by building our chilly Arctic world. We're going to make big blocks of ice and snowy mountains using white foam. Next, we'll plant some pine trees. They're one of the most common trees in the Arctic. Now it's time to make magical snowflakes using instant snow powder. First, let's pour the snow powder into a tray. Then, we'll add water and watch it puff up into soft, fluffy snow. Wow! It only takes 3 minutes, and we get beautiful snow just like the real thing. Let's sprinkle the snow all over the ground to make our Arctic model look super cool. Now that our Arctic is ready, let's meet the amazing animals that live here. Arctic fox. This clever fox has thick white fur to stay warm in the snow. It has tiny paws and pointy ears, perfect for sneaking through the cold. The Arctic fox is great at hiding and finding food in winter. It loves to curl up in the snow and stay cozy. What a fluffy little explorer! Snowy owl. Look at this big white owl with bright yellow eyes. The snowy owl flies quietly over the Arctic tundra. It hunts small animals and uses its sharp claws. Snowy owls can see really well, even in the dark. They are strong and silent hunters. Arctic hare. Hop, hop, hop. Here comes the Arctic hare. It has long ears and thick fur to stay warm. This bunny can jump fast across the snow. Its white coat helps it hide from predators. What a speedy snow rabbit! Polar bear. The polar bear is the biggest bear in the world. It has a thick layer of fat and fluffy fur. Polar bears love to swim and walk on ice. They hunt seals and rest in snowy caves. This giant bear is the king of the Arctic. Penguin. Waddle, waddle. Here comes a penguin. Penguins have short legs and love to slide on ice. They can swim super fast underwater. Even though most penguins live in the South Pole, some visit icy places too. They're fun and friendly birds. Sea lion. This is a sea lion, not a real lion, but it has a loud roar. It has strong flippers to swim and climb on rocks. Sea lions are smart and love to play in groups. They bark, swim, and even do flips. They make the Arctic a noisy, happy place. Seal. Seals are chubby, happy animals with flippers. They love to swim and play in the icy water. Seals lie on the ice to rest and soak up the cold air. They bark and clap to talk to each other. What silly sea friends! Look up! Here comes the snow. It's falling gently from the sky and covering the ground. Wow! The Arctic looks even more real with falling snowflakes. Now it's time to build our wild and wonderful rainforest. First, let's lay down a big green grass mat to look like the jungle floor. Next, we'll add a giant rocky hill, perfect for animals to climb on. Let's get ready to meet the awesome animals that live in the rainforest. Eagle. The eagle flies high above the jungle trees. It has super sharp eyes to spot animals below. Its wings are wide and powerful. This bird is a true king of the sky. Deer. The deer walks quietly through the forest. It has long legs to run fast and escape danger. Deer eat leaves and fruits from low branches. They are gentle and love peaceful places. Elephant. Elephants are the biggest animals in the rainforest. They use their long trunks to eat and spray water. Elephants love to play in mud and stay in groups. They are strong but kind and caring. Green frog. The green frog loves to hop and splash in the rain. It hides in leaves with its green body. Frogs eat bugs and sing with loud ribbit sounds. They are small but super fun to watch. Lion. The lion has a big mane and a loud roar. It rests under trees and hunts with its family. Lions are brave and powerful jungle animals. They're called the kings of the jungle. Jaguar or leopard. The jaguar has yellow fur with black spots. It can climb trees and swim in rivers. Jaguars are fast, quiet hunters. They are sneaky and love to hide. Cobra. The cobra has smooth scales and a hood. It slithers through the grass and watches closely. Cobras hiss to scare away danger. This snake is cool, but don't get too close. Our rainforest model is ready, and it looks so full of life. Let's wave goodbye to our jungle friends and get ready for our next adventure, under the sea. Now let's build our big blue ocean world. First, we'll lay down a bright blue sheet to look like the sea. Get ready, our ocean is about to come to life. Shark. The shark has a strong body and lots of sharp teeth. It swims fast and loves to explore the deep sea. Sharks are great hunters with powerful senses. Don't worry, this one is a friendly shark. Hammerhead shark. Look at the hammerhead shark with its funny-shaped head. Its wide eyes help it see better underwater. Hammerheads swim in warm oceans around the world. They look scary, but they're super cool to learn about. Starfish. The starfish has 5 arms and lives on the ocean floor. It moves slowly and sticks to rocks and coral. Starfish come in many bright colors. They are soft, quiet creatures of the sea. Stingray. The stingray looks like it's flying underwater. It has a flat body and a long tail that helps it glide. Stingrays love to hide in the sand. They are gentle and peaceful swimmers. Octopus. The octopus has 8 long arms and a squishy body. It can change colors to hide from danger. Octopuses are super smart and love to explore. They're one of the ocean's coolest animals. Beluga dolphin, white dolphin. The beluga dolphin is all white and super friendly. It makes funny sounds to talk to its friends. Belugas swim in cold waters and love to play. This dolphin always has a happy smile. Now let's build our hot and sandy desert world. First, we'll spread out golden sand to look just like a real desert. Next, let's add some desert plants, like cacti and big baobab trees. Baobab trees are amazing. They can store lots of water inside their thick trunks. We'll plant one on the left and one on the right to balance our desert scene. This place is dry, sunny, and full of surprises. Kangaroo. The kangaroo has strong back legs and a big tail. It hops quickly across the hot desert ground. Mama kangaroos carry babies in their pouches. They're fast, fun, and love to bounce around. fennec fox. This tiny fox has huge ears and shiny eyes. Its big ears help it stay cool and hear really well. The fennec fox hides in burrows during the hot day. It's small, cute, and super smart. Zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes all over their bodies. Each zebra's pattern is one of a kind. They live in herds and run fast across the land. Zebras love to explore the edge of the desert. Oryx, scimitar-horned antelope. The oryx has long, curved horns and pale fur. It's strong and can live without water for a long time. Oryx walk in groups to stay safe from danger. They are desert heroes with amazing survival skills. Camel. Camels are called the ships of the desert. They have humps to store fat and energy. Camels can walk for days without water. They're strong, steady, and perfect for desert life. Hyena. Hyenas have spotted fur and make silly laughing sounds. They live in groups and work together to find food. Hyenas are brave and super clever hunters. They make the desert full of wild surprises. Wow! What an amazing journey we had today! We explored the freezing Arctic, the wild rainforest, the deep blue ocean, and the hot desert. Each place is home to awesome animals and unique nature. Did you have a favorite animal or habitat? Tell me in the comments below. Thanks for joining me on this animal adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back soon for more fun with Lucy. Bye-bye, friends.